So, I've seen many YouTubers like Michael MJD and Gigatech about the Windows upgrade saga, where you would upgrade a computer multiple times from a really old version of Windows to a really new version of Windows. Usually they use a VM, not me, because VMs eat up my hardware, so let's just use the real thing. So I'm using the same computer from the Red Hat Linux video, an Optiplex 990, 4 gigs of RAM, pretty sure, and an Intel Core i7-2600. It's supposed to come with an S, but I recently replaced the CPU. Okay, yeah, see, it's already at Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Exit. What's this? Okay, no bootable device. F2. I think I need. Oh, I haven't plugged it in. So we're starting from Windows XP, and we're gonna get to Windows 11. Believe it or not. And let it boot, I guess. Okay, computer's restarting. Okay, so F1. Please don't go to Linux. It went to Linux. Okay. F2. I need to set the USB as like first in the boot order. Okay. Please don't use set my mouse. Oh cool, I can set the DPI while I'm here. Okay, boot sequence. Oh, legacy. Okay, there we go. Down. Okay, we should be booting in fine from now on. Until we have to get to Windows 10, and then there's UEFI, which you have to switch to. I need to click F1 here. Once it asks. And I guess we're fine from now on. Take a seat and go through installation. Yay! So, fun fact about me and trying to get Windows XP on this device. A while ago, I was trying to get it to work, but at the time we used it as the family PC, which means we had the VGA hooked up to a HDMI converter and then to the TV. So the display was kind of wonky. So every single time I tried to boot any Windows XP, anything, it wouldn't show anything on the screen. And I was, well, understandably pretty mad about it. So I decided to try a bunch of methods, and finding how none of them, and I mean none, worked. I had, like, the amount of things I tried is kind of crazy. So I'll just delete these partitions. And anyways, the thing, I ended up like commenting on 15 different Reddit posts, and then eventually, but I pretty much just but I just ended up just plugging it into a different monitor, and then it showed everything, and then I could just continue from there. Oh, okay, now it works. And then I saw this screen, and I was overjoyed to tell all my friends that after a month, it finally worked. And then there came the drivers, which it still supports, which was fine, but it just took a really troublesome time to get to installing them, because for some reason I needed one core API, even though they were designed for the exact computer and operating system, so I don't know why. Anyways, this is on a USB, so yeah. Right, so what we have left is, I think I have the USBs the wrong way around, hold on. Okay, so this isn't 7. 7, I think. 8.1, I think. 10, I think. 11 for sure. I honestly have no idea which USB is which. I know that I did them in file size of the USB space, so I think I got them the right way around. Wait, this is full. Oh, okay, I have no idea which one's right. Okay, restart. Yay! Okay, now I have to go to F12 menu, don't I? F12 at all? Anything? Is it dead? Oh. Thank you. Hard drive. Okay. Also, the one thing I hate about Linux operating systems is that whenever you install one, and then even you clean the drive, and then you try again, it leaves a digital footprint of its installation there. Okay, D, AB64, right? And it just leaves its, what do you call it? It left its boot, like EFI file, or whatever it is. It's like shortcut to its boot sequence in the BIOS. And I don't know how to remove it, but I can just untick it and hide it. And that's kind of annoying, so I don't know how to remove them yet. But for now, they just stay there. No matter how many times I've cleaned the drive, as of now, it's still there. Like, I still have the Ubuntu installation from like 2 or 3 years ago. And of course Red Hat, which is still there. I don't know why. I think it's getting the driver. Okay, my mouse is gone. But that's not a problem. And now my keyboard's gone. And now it's back, and my mouse is back. Yes, okay, good. Now, I know for the product key, we might run into something. Thankfully, Shift F10. Shift F10. Oh, that's not good. Oh, okay, it's uninstalling everything. Keyboard's not working yet. 2-time guide to install the display. Jeez, okay. I can't use the computer yet. Okay. Waiting for the keyboard drivers. And no mouse either. Second time. That's interesting. Setup will finish in 34 minutes. Okay. It's... Whenever I try to do anything like this, it's always wrong. Because I do it on a USB. When it's on a CD, this is supposed to be for a CD. And I don't think anyone uses those anymore. I think. Anyways, let's go to the clock app on one of my many phones. This is Android 4. I'll go timer, set to 34 minutes, and start. Good. It's gonna be off by way too much. I'll leave the thing here so you can see. Do I have keyboard? Don't have my keyboard yet. Oh, that's fun, the phone. Wait, no, I'll skip the timer, but this may take a bit, and since my keyboard is connected to a dock which doesn't support Windows XP, is a bit of a problem, but I remember... Fun fact, the video cut out. But anyways, we're installing. I wanted to time this because I know this timer is always inaccurate when booting off a USB. So, yeah. I guess I gotta wait for that. And keyboard and mouse drivers aren't installed yet, so I'm trying to figure that out. I can't shift F10 and get my product key, and it's been stuck at this for a while now. I'm just gonna try a reboot because I don't want to run into anything. I'm just gonna reboot because I think it's stuck. Okay, rebooting. Alright. It shut down again. Okay, there. Oh wait, F12. Oh wait, no, USB's first in the boot order. Isn't that right? Okay. Then F1. Do I need to control alt delete? I have no idea. Too bad. I just. Oh. Okay, I need to plug this in before it starts asking me for ISOs. Okay. Can I just browse and then just steal my product key from wherever? Okay. Shift F10. Explore. Okay, I'll stick to Notepad. Good, I can still Alt Tab. Just gonna make sure that I'm actually typing in the correct address. Oh, all files. Good. Here. I can't even view my computer. Okay. That's sort of a problem. Oh, okay. So D. There's my product key, which I totally didn't get from Internet Archive from the same ISO which I got. So, copy that. Okay. I hate it when it does this, and for some reason it always does this when I'm on like USB setups in Windows XP. Okay, screw it. I'll just copy all this. That it? No, Shift F10. Notepad. Notepad before it uninstalls my keyboard drivers. No! Please tell me my mouse is still here. Ah, please, okay. Can't see my mouse. My keyboard's totally gone for the rest of the setup. Okay. Okay, good, my mouse is laggy. I can't tell, it's just going on and off. Okay, is my mouse back? My keyboard isn't back, my mouse is gone. Is it back now? Okay, keyboard's back. Display is gone. Display is still gone. Okay, good with that. Yay, it's working now. Hack attack. Guess what? I actually have a company. I'm joking. Anyways, let's get my product key. Can I split screen? Oh, wait, yeah, that wasn't added yet. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Can I cut it here? Can I just... okay. Okay, now I can see it. Well, I can't really see here. Thankfully, I've written this product key so many times that I hope that I've sort of memorized half of it. Okay, password, let's just not put one. Sure, set the time. At least I got the time right. Installing network. It's asking me for the info. Again. Completing installation. Yay. Last one? Oh, okay. Start menu items. Oh my. I thought the files were already moved. At all? Anything? Registering components. Okay. I'm just gonna play some games on my Nokia N97. Totally not because I'm gonna show it off. Get to the game. I know, I'll just play Doom instead. Enjoy some Doom gameplay. And now you can't see that, so... Okay, I'm just gonna play Doom. Go have fun. Sora is too busy killing monsters in Doom. Meanwhile, it is probably booting into the USB. Okay, thank you. Close Doom, fine. Welcome! Yay! I'm finally here. Okay, please tell me. Yes, okay. Now let's go straight into installing the next operating system. And hoping my camera doesn't die. So this is supposedly Windows 7. Let's hope. This may be a problem. I don't want to take a tour. Safely remove. Okay, it detects the USB. Still thinks the D drive exists. Okay, can I just restart the File Explorer when it works? Process. Alright, where is Explorer? Where's... there you are. Bye. Yeah. Okay, then I'll run. Explore. And everything's back. Beautiful. My computer, it's still cooked. It detects my drive. How can I make it see it here? Okay, final. Yes, sure, you can set my display to something better. Alright, yes, keep it. Here. Still can't access it. Okay. I don't want to reboot because I know my computer will just disconnect everything else. Okay, I can set it to 1920 by 1080. I won't because I don't know. Screensaver now. Okay, let's make this look nice. There we go. I'm loving it. Now we'll go here, restart. Hopefully we'll be able to get to Windows 7 and we'll never have to deal with that problem ever again. Is Windows shutting down? Okay, so mouse and keyboard aren't working as expected. So instead of just running the setup.exe, I'm going to run away from Windows XP and just boot directly into the Windows 7 USB. So there's also a problem when I click the power button on the PC, it just doesn't shut down as it says here. I have to hold down. So I just boot straight into the USB. If I can get to the F12 boot menu for Windows. And because the computer has an SSD, this is going to be painfully impossible to get there. Please tell me I got in. I didn't make it, did I? Please don't be Windows XP. It was Windows XP. Yeah, so nothing works here except the display. I've tried plugging in an extra keyboard and mouse. I don't know how I got it to work the very last time, but I just know that it's cooked. So I need to figure out how to get to the F12 menu, because this computer wasn't designed to be fast, even though it has 4 gigs of RAM. Turn on. Thank you. F12. Make sure I get into the F12 menu because it's going to be painfully impossible to do anything else. Please. Please. No. Please. Alright, I'm assuming it's in Windows XP by now. Just going to hold down power. Yeah. Got it. Now I just need to hope that third time is the charm. I think I got it. Only one way to find out. And I didn't get in, I'm assuming. Yeah, okay, that was kind of expected. Yeah, okay. How can I get to the F12 menu? Okay, I'll just... I'll have to try see the screen before. See if I clicked it. Okay, I'm just gonna go from here, try... I can't change any of the settings here. Can I? Okay. Jesus Christ, the speed on this is crazy. I can slow it down by, no, enabling everything else, I guess. And move the storage device to the end. Okay, fine. But if I leave it to boot the USB every single time, then it's gonna be annoying if I'm trying to run the setup.exe, which I'm planning to do. And then once I get to Windows 11, I know it's gonna suffer because there's 4 gigs and a really old like 6th or 5th gen i7. So yeah, I just need to get to Windows 7 first. So I'll leave it. Should go straight to 7. Please. Seven it is? No. Yes it is Windows 7. Thank you. Okay, I just need to make sure that it loads correctly. And please don't be frozen. Please. well, it was worth a shot, guys. I'm joking. I definitely have a backup plan. What that plan is, I have no idea. I don't think I can Control-Alt-Delete here. Before anything, I just want to make sure that's fully dead, so I'm just going to leave my finger here. Okay, yeah, it's frozen. Well, it's not frozen, but like it can't load a specific file. Oh, maybe I need to boot to UEFI. Maybe. Oh, okay, I did get it here. So I can boot the USB. I'm just gonna try boot the USB again from Legacy. Then I'll try again from UEFI. Then switch to Legacy for the BIOS. I mean, for the actual like operating system. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. I don't know what was wrong and why I couldn't do it before, but anyways, it works now. Right? Yay! Come on, Windows 7. You're the best operating system ever. You have the fastest boot time known to date. Mouse. Yes, it works. Yes, I want to install it. Nah, that's crazy. I never knew. No. Okay, I accept. Because I don't have anything else to do at this point. Other than make YouTube videos. Click next, right? Oh, fun. I didn't. Next. Next. Alright, there we go. Oh, that was fast. It flashed through copying Windows files. Oh my god, you can't see. It's already done with copying the files. Of course, it's terrible at expanding them, because this is the actual SSD, this is the actual storage. So I can wait and watch you guys suffer, or I can make this easier and I could just come back to when it's working. Yay, 1%, 2%, 3%, okay, 4. Okay, I'll come back to you when it's actually done, see ya. Okay, well, after recharging my camera for the 3rd time today, setup is done expanding Windows files. So now it's going to finish up features and then updates and then finish. Or I can just straight up just go past everything else and win. Oh yeah, I have a real key. I have an official key that I can use for this computer because it's exactly for this computer. Oh, updating registry, okay. But this computer actually came with Windows 7 and a key, OEM I think. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so it came with an OEM key, so I can use that and actually activate it officially, which I rarely ever do, or I use like for XP, the phone activation hack client thing, or 7, I'll just snag any other product key. 10 and 11, there's generic ones and a bunch of bypasses, so I'll just go ahead with those. And there's KMS clients, so activation is kind of cooked nowadays. Meanwhile, I can't F10, no keyboard. Please don't tell me this is the same as Windows XP. If so, I'm kind of annoyed. Do I have keyboard? I don't have my keyboard. Can I have a keyboard? Please. I have my mouse. I don't have my keyboard. I can't shift F10. I can't get the product key. Okay. Wait, my keyboard light's turned off. Does that mean I get my keyboard back soon? Okay. I'm not getting anything back. Okay, it's safe to say it took away my keyboard, but it took away my mouse as well. Okay, wait, my keyboard's back. No, never mind, it isn't. My mouse works, my keyboard's dead. I don't want to get an external keyboard. Please. Okay, now. Can it finish with the installation? Okay, I'll come back when it's done. It finally restarted. So excuse me, now my keyboard is gone from the BIOS. Okay, that's not nice. Okay, computer kind of crashed. Thank you. Now can it boot peacefully? I'll take that as a yes. Nope. Oh, yes. No, please. F1. Yay, Windows 7. Yay! I'm finally getting into Windows 7. And then I'll go 8.1, 10, and then 11, finally. So, yeah. Is it stuck? I'm gonna switch to UEFI, or is it actually doing something? I need to check where the disk activity light is in my computer. But wouldn't you know, it's not on. Oh, okay, never mind, it's booting now. Video performance. That was fast. Okay, product key. Time to shine. Oh wait, no, never mind. It's not here. Okay, my mouse. I have a real product key, as I said before. Let me just find my gallery. Camera. Okay. So I got my product key that I took a photo of from the back of this computer. Now I just have to pray that I can see it because the screen is tiny. Okay, I can. Is that a B or an H? Ugh. Okay. Please work. Please. Yeah, let's go. It detected my real key. Sure, it's we're in Canada. Okay. Bearing, come on. Let me go straight to 8.1 now, which I totally don't want to use. Okay, I'll get the USB at the ready. Yeah, oh, okay, no arrow. Oh yeah, there's no, okay. Now let's Get rid of the old USB, out the in the new. Out with the old, in the new. Jesus Christ, I can't talk. Device is ready to use. Okay. Open. Yeah, Windows 8. 0.1, right? Did I get the wrong ISO? Please don't tell me I got the wrong ISO. Okay. The screen needs to be 1024 by 768. Okay, can I make it 1024 by 768? Display. Adjust resolution. 1920 by 1080. Apply. That's all it needs? It needs an actual resolution? Just to open the thing? Keep changes. Can I just refresh it? I don't have to reopen it again. Yes. Removable disk, setup. Yeah. Close. 8. Alright, product key. Good thing. Good thing I brought a backup key. That came with the ISO. So it should accept it no matter what. Please. Yay, it works. I accept. I want to accept. I want to keep nothing. Next. Alright, that's it. That's fast. Imagine the stuff you have to do for 11 on this PC. Okay, and I'll be back when it works, which will be a really long time since it's a new operating system and it eats more of my storage. Bye. Okay, so update. It's done with Windows 8.1 setup. Yay, that's new. Honestly, I can't believe how fast we got into Windows 7. It's faster than XP. Okay, setting up 3%. Yeah, I assume I'm gonna be here a while, so I'm just gonna be asleep. By each second. At this rate, we're gonna be there in like over a minute. Alright, I'll see you then. Okay, it's supposedly done. It just restarted even though it was setting up. That honestly doesn't work in my mind at all. Now my keyboard's gone. Let's see if 8.1 boots and if the loading screen is any different from 10. Because I know it isn't. Why is the loading wheel laggy? Again? Oh, okay. Is it restarting again? Yay! Getting ready. And the logo is bigger for some reason. Are you ready yet? Okay, it's done. I was wrong. The computer restarted. I have to click F1 again. No display! Ain't that nice? Or I think says a second one. Oh, okay. You said that last time! You lied! If this doesn't work, I'm putting Symbian on it. I know that doesn't work because there's no actual ISO for Symbian, I think. But I know there is one for Android. I'm kidding, I'm joking. Hello. Oh, okay, no, I think it's dead. I don't think I want to turn it on and off again. Okay. I'll be back when it's actually back. Just when I say that it's ready, it's at the region and language thing. So, oh my god, that's actually nice. Personalize. Oh, okay, a slider. Ooh, that's cool. Let's do like this. You know, it's more Windowsy. That's Windows, yeah. Okay. Enter a name. Alright, fine. I'll give you my YouTube channel name. Customize, because I don't want anything else. I don't want anything. Windows update. Don't set up. I don't want anything for privacy. I don't want to improve anything. I don't want to anything and no services, please. Next. Username. Same as the PC name. Okay. 1. Bet! Can I get into Windows now? Oh, hello. I didn't realize that. I don't know, why else am I booting off the, I don't know, installation partition? You can get new apps from the store. I don't know, where else would I get them? Oh, let's start, okay. That was fast. Oh, that was fast. Okay. Okay, this is Windows 8, build 9600. Oh my god, this is so weird. Oh my god. Wait, is settings still? Ew, settings. Okay, no. I swear I didn't do this. I swear I didn't do this. I didn't do this, okay? After installing, okay, 67% volume. That wasn't me, okay? I swear on my life, okay? God can strike me with lightning if I'm lying. It did that, okay? It did that. Anyways, let's actually get to installing 10. Where's my 10 USB? Oh, okay. Just put the USB cap on. And let's give it 10. One more away from the upgrade saga. Okay, nice notification sounds. Alright, switch to 8.1. Of course I'm joking because there's no extended kernel and no apps except the Minecraft launcher which could work for this. But then again, this does have support for this PC. And fun fact, this PC doesn't even support Windows 10. It just stops at 8.1, I think. And it supports Vista. Okay, change how setup download updates. I don't want updates. Check my PC. I'll zoom in for you so you don't have to cry. Product key. Good thing I have like new ones. So I'll go here. Key. Thank God. Wait. Snap. Oh my god, that's amazing. Can I just copy paste? Just like every single other setup ever since 7. Yeah, it works. I accept. Okay, that's honestly amazing. I'm just gonna say Windows 8.1 is actually really nice. I mean, the Windows 10 default background obviously beats whatever 8.1 has, but this is a UI I can't get used to, and I need support. Otherwise, this is a very, very nice operating system. I know we all hated 8. 8.1 is nice. Okay, it's installing. I'll be back when it's back, which will probably be a bit longer than last time. So, see ya. Okay, we're back. Setup finished. Don't boot into the USB, please. Does it need any files, or am I good? Yay, 10. Okay, this is 10. This isn't 8.1, no matter how bad it looks. Working on... You don't even get updates. You don't have a Wi-Fi card. You don't even have Bluetooth. How are you getting updates? This thing's trying to get updates. It's gonna stay at 0% till the day I die, bro. 1%. What update are you possibly getting? 2%. What update are you getting? Do you have built-in MSU files? What update do you have? Seriously. No way. Can I at least open command prompt? I can't even open command prompt. I was gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's with like no graphics. I mean, I can if I want to. Oh, I'll just install Windows 11 now. You know what? I could run the Windows 11 setup in Windows 10. Wait, no, I could actually do that. I mean, yeah, look, okay. I'll do that once I can actually do Shift F10, or if Windows 10 just speedily fixes everything and just lets me get into the desktop. Because it might just yap about my screen resolution like Windows 8 did. Also, what update is it trying to get? I'll meet you when it's done. So after finishing the Lord of the Rings, yes, this took a really long time. It just went straight to the desktop since we didn't upgrade edition. And oh my god, I miss this. This is a beautiful operating system. It's great to see you back, Windows 10. This is great. And okay, I have a bunch of download icons, and yeah, of course no network or card, and OneDrive, which is obviously no one's gonna get or install for that matter. So let's go straight to Windows 11, and I'm gonna show you something showing how it's not supposed to work at all. Like, it's not gonna be supported, it's not gonna install. Yeah, like, take a pick. But I have idea. So I'll just show you, like, in case the error shows, I want to show you what exactly happens. So I'll wait for the setup to load, which shouldn't be too bad. 57, okay. Back a bit. Yeah, so you can see. You can see, I guess. So no updates. And we've clarified that there's no Wi-Fi, no card at all. And I'm assuming the volume isn't terrible. Okay, unmute. Okay, it's not 67% like last time. I'm thinking something about like the integer limit or something. Okay, so here. What needs your attention? This is my bypass. The PC doesn't meet minimum requirements for running Windows 11. You can just click the accept button and it'll keep on going. So it'll make sure we have space, which we probably do. We have like 120 gigs, so that's fine. So Windows 11 Pro, keep everything. Okay, my camera's gonna die, but anyways, we're here. Bypass works. Install. And now we wait. And I can charge my camera and everything will be over. Finally, I think it's installed. I think. I mean, it rebooted, so yeah, we're in. And the camera actually charged fully during that time. It's still the same day. And this thing eats power like crazy. Explain. How do you get updates? You're offline, you have no Wi-Fi card, there's nothing here that's plugged in that can be used to get updates. Nothing's even integrated. How does that work? No English? Okay. No. Be back. Maybe. It's finally done. I've waited so long, and it actually works well. But I'm just gonna check. Since Windows 11 is supposed to be the best of drivers, second to Windows 10. Okay, no, it didn't get these drivers. Can I just... do I have any... oh, okay, no, I don't. Well, that was close, okay. But it got practically everything. and it supports Windows 11 now. And I only have the browser and the settings. And also, if I want to activate Windows, see if Windows is activated, you can go there. Can't connect. Can I try USB tethering? Oh god, if this doesn't work, I don't know what else. I'm just gonna copy over my keys folder. I mean my text files. Huh. They're on the Windows 10 USB. I'll be right back. I'll just unplug. And where is it? Reconnect this one. It's the right one, right? Gonna be the same file name? Yeah, okay. Give me my keys. I can unplug these. And I can USB tether from one of my old Android phones. One of many. And I just gotta pick one. I'll pick the Sony Xperia. We'll plug it in and enable USB tethering. If it'll turn on. Okay, where is settings? So here. Settings on it. Okay. Tether. There it is. Tethering and portable hotspot. Yes. Don't show. Okay. It's connecting over Ethernet, according to Windows. And connected. Check your network status. Ethernet 3. Can't reach our servers right now. Okay, you wanna try it? Okay, it works. It's active. It's active. It's active using the key from Windows 7 or 10, but I have no idea. But it activated from like 10 or 7 or 8.1, but it works now, so I don't need to do anything now. And the video can finally end, so goodbye. Rest in peace, Optiplex and Windows 10.